Good Tuesday morning, and thanks for logging on to tdsweather.com. I'm meteorologist Joseph Cooper with your central and southern Ohio forecast for today. Out there this morning, we have temperatures that are into the middle to upper 50s to near 60 degrees in some locations here. We do have a few outlying 40s, but for the most part, we're in the 50s. You can see a few isolated thunderstorms down from Hillsborough to Georgetown, and as we work through the morning hours, we'll continue to see some of these thunderstorms developing across the area, albeit I do think for this morning, for the most part, they're going to continue to be isolated. So as we get into the next couple of hours, this is 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m. into noon. You can see some of those isolated thunderstorms moving across central and southern portions of Ohio. So they'll be pretty hit and miss here, probably on into about the next 4 hours. But I do think as we get into the afternoon hours, coverage is going to start to increase, especially as we head into 1, 2, 3 o'clock. You can see more scattered activity. And then on into 4, 5, 6 p.m. Coverage really going to increase here, probably west of 71 as we work between 4 and 6 p.m. as that cold front starts to move on in from the west and northwest. And as we get into 6, 7, 8 o'clock, coverage out into places like Lancaster, Columbus, Wilmington, Circleville, you guys will be seeing quite a bit of rainfall as well. Maybe a brief lull west of 71 here this evening after 6 to 7 p.m. as that front pushes on through. But I do think we're going to continue to see rainfall chances at least redevelop here a little bit later on. So this is 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 o'clock. You can see, again, better chances east of 71 as we head into like 9, 10, 11 o'clock. But we'll see additional areas of rain showers and maybe a few thunderstorms redeveloping across the area towards 11 o'clock and midnight. And we're going to keep rain and maybe an isolated thunderstorm in the forecast overnight tonight into tomorrow morning by 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock. You can still see rainfall ongoing as we head into Wednesday morning. We continue through 9, 10, 11 o'clock into noon tomorrow. Rainfall chances will remain pretty likely through at least late morning, if not on through lunchtime. And then once we hit noon and into 1 o'clock, a lot of this activity is exiting as that surface low exits off to our east and northeast along with that cold front. So that will allow us to dry out here tomorrow afternoon with only maybe a sprinkle, and then we continue into 6, 7, 8 o'clock on Wednesday evening. You can see dry weather's in place tomorrow night and as we work on into Thursday morning as well. As we work through the morning hours into 9, 10, 11 a.m. into noon on Thursday, dry conditions remain with us here. We'll continue with dry weather Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening into Thursday night, and then probably our next chance of rainfall won't arrive until we work later Friday afternoon into Friday evening. This is by 1 to 2 p.m. Friday. You can see rainfall back out to our west, and that will be what will push on in here late week and into the weekend. Rainfall amounts through tomorrow evening, anywhere between about 3 to 6/10 of an inch can be expected across the area. With that being said, if you get under some of these thunderstorms, especially the heavier thunderstorms, as we work later this afternoon into this evening, localized amounts of 1.5 to 2 inches are possible as those push on through here. Temperatures for today, very mild once again. Most of us will be into the upper 60s to low 70s, but that cold front will move through this evening on into tonight. And by the time we work into tomorrow morning, we're going to be into the upper 40s to low 50s. And as we go through the daytime hours tomorrow, temperatures will initially fall through the morning, but then into the afternoon, they will increase a bit. Highs will be in the lower to middle 50s on Wednesday. And as we have a look at the next 7 days, 70 today, we drop to 57 tomorrow. There's those rain chances. More sunshine on Thursday, a high of 60, 64 on Friday with additional rain chances arriving probably later Friday, more into Saturday, 58 on Saturday, and then 50 on Sunday and 48 on Monday with drier conditions to end the weekend and head on into early next week. That's all I have for you here this morning. Thanks for logging on.